guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Blanche Montero. Yeah, I'm here again for you. Okay, so if you're new here, you're welcome, and don't forget to click that subscribe button below. Yes, below, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. And if you've been here before, you are welcome. You are doing well. You're pushing your girl. Oh, you're doing well with shit. Okay, so today I'm here with a video for my butterfly locks. How do I look? Don't I look fine? Don't I look fine? So I'm here to show you how to pop this butterfly locks from your home by yourself. I said what? By yourself. Getting that hot girl summer look. Short hairstyle. Just pop it. Like pop. So if you're here, that means you want to get to know how to pop this butterfly locks, okay? I'm not going to waste your time. I'm taking you right into it. So just, follow my lead, follow my
Hello guys. Okay, now we are just going to get into the styling. Right now my hair has already been sectioned into just small hair sections, as you can see, all done, all round and braided. Okay, so yes, we are ready to go. So I'll be using argan oil edge control for my edges, keeping those edges in place. You don't want to lose them. And then eco gel, of course, to just keep everything in place. So now I'm just going to braid out this little sectioned out hair for you to see. I'm applying my edge control, always necessary. And then I'm just going to apply the gel, eco gel to it. It just like helps the hair sit in place, no popping out, no ta. Okay, now it's done. I'm going to braid it out. As you can see, try not to make it too tight. Just braid it loosely, especially from the bottom, because you have to use this part for your crochet, so you really want it to go through, so you don't have to braid it tight. So yes, just loose and braid it all, braid it. Yay, done. Yeah, it's long, so just at the edges I just always like to twist it so it's easy to lose them. Okay, now we are done and it's time to crochet. So I'll be using these rings I got from Amazon to style my hair at the end to make it look cute. Yeah, and then you can use rubber band method. Okay, there are two types of methods you can use. You can use a rubber band if your hair is short, to hold in and crochet through the rubber band, and that's really easy. So I'm using the rubber bandless method. Now I'm going to be showing you the hair we'll be using. I got this from Amazon as well for I think $18 per pack. So yes, and I got 8 packs in total. And I'll be using this crochet. So it looks like this when you take it out. Okay, and now you'll just take it piece by piece and fluff it out. So you just have to use your fingers and yeah. Okay, so I always like to start from the bottom to not have it like tangle. So yeah, from bottom to top. Let's go. Fluff. Okay, and then it's ready. Hoo-hoo. Let's go. So you will need 2 pieces for each section. Each small section of hair, you will need 2 pieces of this. So first you have to like coil it up like this, you know, yeah, like that. Just twist it, if I may say, twist it like that. And then your crochet, open it, don't close it, open it. Okay, now I'm just going to show you an example, and I'll show you a couple more examples so you can understand how this butterfly locks is made. So first I'll crochet through my hair, my braided hair. Yes, you have to crochet below, and don't forget to leave this crochet open, not closed. So you crochet through, and you just like put in the hair there, and you close it and bring it out, pull it out. Yes, and pull the hair, pull, pull. Yay, it's out. Okay, so that was one piece. So you need to like continue with the second piece. Same procedure, just twist it up, you know, put the crochet through, and you know, pull the hair, put the hair inside, close, and pull the hair through. Yes, and it's done, like done. So you put it all out. Okay, now we have everything out, so we are going to make like Mr. Short and Mr. Long. Okay, so let's make Mr. Short first. Mr. Short is very important because he will determine the length of the hair, and then like this, you just need to pull it, and then here is Mr. Short. So Mr. Short determines the length of your braids. Okay, so you just like, you know, I just did it shoulder level, and then your hair, your braided hair, you give it to Mr. Short. You attach it to Mr. Short hair. Okay, so your braided hair goes to the short braiding hair. Is it hair? There's a lot of hair in this thing. Yeah. Okay, now it's ready. So you just have to twist from the bottom. You have to twist from the bottom, please, because that is where you have to like hold your loosely braided hair. Okay, so you really have to twist from the bottom, and that's when you make it like stronger and, you know, have a strong hold. And then you start twisting, you continue twisting, not start, girl. You continue twisting downwards. Okay, now you can either use your thumb or your index finger to bring out your loopholes. Okay, so you can see I'm using my thumb. So I'm just going to explain to you, like, let me bring my head closer here. Now you can use either your thumb or your index finger. Now I'm just going to show you with my thumb first. You see I pull out a little bit of hair from Mr. Long like this, and then I twist upwards first, upwards a couple of times, upwards, and then now I bring it down. Okay, that is putting out the loophole and twisting downwards. I'm going to do it a couple of times, hoping you can get it. Right now I'm using my index finger, so I just grab a little bit of hair from Mr. Tool and I twist upwards a couple of times, 2 or 3 times, and then I twist downwards below underneath Mr. Loophole. Okay, one more loop, twist upwards and twist below it and continue twisting. Yeah, and then just, you know, just pull out as many loops as you want. It's your choice. And then you keep going, twisting downwards till the very end. Okay, now when you get like almost to the end, you should You have to check to make sure it's same length with the previous braid. Okay, I actually went off the cameras to do those behind, so yeah. And then once done, you use your finger and make a loop. Make a loop. That's you making a loop. And then now you twist upwards, okay, because this is just to hold the hair intact. Okay, now you need to make sure that this tiny little edge is braided to finish. You have to braid it. Oh, not braid, girl, twist. Oh, you have to twist it. I'm so used to braiding. You have to twist it. That teeny tiny edge. You have to twist it till it's finished. Okay. Yes. Now, this is the next, and I'm just going to show you a couple of examples. So you need don't forget, 2 pieces. I don't want it too thick. That's why I'm using 2 pieces. So you just have to, prepare your hair and take your crochet, put it through, make sure it's open, put it through your braided hair, and then you just hold it in, close, pull it, and then pull it. Ooh, okay. To avoid tangling, just make sure you try to stretch it out, and then make sure it's not tangled. Now this is Mr. Short and Mr. Long. Okay. Mr. Short helps you to determine your braid length. So yes, now we are just going to put in the second piece. Yeah, crochet through, close, pull, and stretch it. Easy, right? Yeah. Now we have Mr. Long and Mr. Tall. Don't forget, you need to make one side shorter and the other side longer. Okay, and then you put them together and you have it like that. Okay, so you just need to make sure the length is almost same as the previous braids. Now you have your teeny tiny braided natural hair there. Send it to Mr. Short and hold it there. Now use Mr. Long to twist and start from the bottom. Twist from the bottom, please. Okay, because that's where you get that grip, that strong hold, and to also make it bright. Yes, you need to really twist there a couple of times, make it strong and tight. And then you move downwards bit by bit. You can use your thumb or your index finger to make the loopholes. Index, thumb, yes, you can use those for your loopholes. So here I'm using my thumb. I'm more comfortable. I pull out a little bit of hair from Mr. Long. Just a little bit, okay? A little bit of hair from Mr. Long. And then I twist up, okay, above the loop that I've pulled out upwards. I twist there a couple of times, maybe 1, 2, 3 times, depending. And now I can twist below, okay, below the loop. Don't twist on the loop, below the loop. And then we continue. It's a continuous process. So you continue. One more loop, twist it upwards. Now down, we're moving downwards. Don't twist on the loop. You don't want to close it up. So you twist and continue downwards, and one more loop. Thumb, twist up. 1, 2, and now twist down. Okay, you see the loop is looking cute. It looks cute. Yay, girl. One more loop. Twist, 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 up and down. And let's move. You see? They look so cute, 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 cute. You can use your index finger too, okay? So if you're comfortable with them, it's okay. So yeah, you just pull out a little bit of hair from Mr. Long, like that, and then twist upwards. And twist down. Okay, so the loop is there, looking cute. Like cute. One more. Yep, let's do it. Loop, twist, pull. Don't forget to pull, okay? Pull, twist upwards, and take out that finger and twist downwards. I really hope you're getting this, okay? So you just continue that and looping and twisting, loops, twist, loops, twist. Taking out the finger, twisting upwards, twisting downwards. Just continue. And then make sure the length is almost same with the previous braids. You don't want to have a haphazard head. And then use your finger, as you can see, your finger to make this loop. I don't know if you can see it well. That's a loop, okay? It has a hole there, I think. Yeah, don't think. The hole is there. It's just closed. So it's there. And then you twist upwards, not braid. Twist upwards. Yes. And use that teeny, tiny, tiny bottom. That teeny, tiny. Twist it till the end. It's like your glue. It's holding everything there. And it's going to like make sure nothing loses. Okay. Now this is just another example. It's already done and I'm just twisting up. So yes, I take it from the bottom. I twist to make it really tight. Tight, and then I start moving downwards and making my loops using my thumb. Twist upwards and down, okay? You see below the loop. That's how cute it looks. And we are just going to continue doing this. So as you're watching, I really want to thank you for watching this video, and I just want to remind you to please subscribe. If this video is really helpful to you, please subscribe, like, comment. Please drop your comments below so I know what you think, and just let me know if you try this hairstyle, if you try to get this butterfly looks. Okay, you know I can't do everything on camera, so I'll quickly just have to, you know, finish this up and just get off camera and do the rest. Okay, I really hope you've been able to master this twisting so you can do it for yourself. Girl, twist, 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 twist. Use your finger, get the loophole. Yep, loophole, and twist upwards. Ooh, this really looks cute. Oh, I'm so excited for this hairstyle. It's summer, so yeah, you need to keep it short and cute. This takes about 4 hours. You can see my face, I'm tired. But I look cute. Yeah, girl. Baby girl will be right back. Ooh, it's all done. I look cute. Ooh, I think something's missing. Yay! Don't I look cute? Oh, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Yeah, baby. Go, baby girl. Oh, it's a baby girl vibe. It's a baby girl vibe. Don't I look cute? Oh, I so love this. It's just short, like just pretty girly look. Yeah, girl. That is the vibe. Do you see this hair? Do you see it? Don't it look cute? You can do this at home by yourself. Duh. Sure, right?